Before buying a homeowner's insurance policy, make sure it fully protects your investment at the best rate possible. Get competitive quotes from a minimum of 4 different carriers. Check with the big insurance companies that cut out the middleman and deal directly with owners. Some are known to pass on their savings to you. Then again, lesser-known companies with lower overhead often offer an equally competitive rate. It pays to shop around. Check with your state insurance department. Most offer online shopping guides for homeowners insurance. Always ask about discounts. Studies show homeowners collectively lose millions of dollars each year because they don't take advantage of discounts. Also, bundling your car and homeowners insurance usually gets you a good discount. Find out everything you can about the quality of their service. Ask representatives about their average turnaround time on paying claims. A shorter turnaround is usually a sign of better service. Read the policy fine print. Most cover damage due to fire, lightning, wind, and hail, but losses due to theft and vandalism will vary. Make sure your living expenses are covered if you're temporarily displaced due to damage to your home. And don't assume you're covered from earthquakes, floods, or other disasters. These usually require separate policies. And most important, insure your home for what it would cost to rebuild it today, not back when you first bought it. With inflation and the rising cost of materials, make certain you're insured for the full replacement value of your home.